here I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your dome camera. This happens to be our 4 megapixel dome camera with a glass top. Unscrew the dome top carefully using a star bit, and I'm using a screwdriver. Again, this is a manual screwdriver. Never use a drill or anything that's motorized. Always a manual screwdriver. There's always an Allen key inside the box of a camera when you purchase it. The other thing is make sure the camera is disconnected from power, nothing is plugged in, discharge of anything, any electric in there. So open the dome cover. I've already had mine opened. There are a couple of connections inside this particular dome camera. You look for ribbon cables like here, and you look for these push down connectors. So you got to make sure that these push down pins are all the way in. They're not being tugged on. This specifically is an IPDE402. Now, if these are loose or coming out of the connector, that means it's been damaged and the wire is kind of floating and not making good contact with the board. Same thing here, make sure it's pushed down. Now, this ribbon cable, I purposely disconnected it before I made this video. So you might think this is the right way, but it's not. See, this ribbon cable is loose all the way. You gotta make sure that it's pressed down firmly, and then don't use any tools here, only your fingers. You have to kind of push down on this until it clicks like that. Use your fingernails. Do not use a screwdriver because you're going to end up scratching the PCB board. You got to wait for that click. Once it makes that click, you know this ribbon cable is secure, and just make sure you do that. Again, no tools. Please don't go around pressing on these things because this will slip and start damaging the PCB board. That's pretty much it. Go back, reconnect the camera, and it should work fine.